Hey guys, so right now I am currently at home. It looks like it's really dark outside, but it's only 7 because guess what? We lose an hour of sleep. So technically this is an after dark cleaning because it is dark, and I just have my son and he fell asleep pretty early because he did not take a good nap today. So I got a lot of stuff done today, and I was not planning on filming a cleaning video, but I have some cleaning to do, and my husband is out delivering cake, and then my daughter is with my brother-in-law and sister-in-law, so she's spending some time with her cousin, and then my husband will pick her up on the way back home. So I figured now was probably the best time to get in some cleaning. I'm not gonna do a power hour. I'm just gonna try to get as much cleaning done as I can. And then maybe tonight I could just relax and watch a movie or something. But first I've got to get this done because we have church tomorrow, and I've done a lot today. I've accomplished a lot. I've filmed like 4 videos. I got grocery shopping done. I got cleaning done. I got laundry done. So I am like super mom, boss mom, like super excited that I got a lot done, but I'm ready to be done. So I just want to clean up a little bit before I finish up. So let's get started. Okay, so this is currently my situation. I have dirty dishes. I have clean dishes that are just sitting in the sink. This is empty. It's just an empty. My husband just finished baking, so he has stuff that he left out. Things are everywhere because he needed the table for doing his fondant work. So I've got to get this cleaned up, and the living room is not too bad. Everything's pretty much done here. I have caught up on laundry, so I am proud of myself. I think this is just something that has to go to the dry cleaner, and some new stuff that I had bought for my daughter. So these little guys are just gonna get picked up because that's all we need to do in there. And let's see. All right, so let's go ahead and just focus on the kitchen because that is mainly where this mess is at today. Let's go ahead and get this done.
You have probably heard me say this before, but I like to start with the kitchen just because once the kitchen is clear, then my mental state is clear and I can just function a lot better. Also, I do apologize for the hoarseness in my voice. I did lose my voice for like 2 days recently, and it's just now coming back, so I apologize for that. Every time I see a clip of myself washing dishes, I think to myself, maybe we should go ahead and just invest in buying a new dishwasher already and get this over with, because, guys, I do not like washing dishes by hand. I know some people do, but this is not why I do it. Okay, mamas, let me know. Does anyone else think that high chairs are so gross? They collect so much dried up food. Look at, I am just shaking everything out of there. And everything that landed on the floor, I don't show you, but it was so many crumbs and so much food. High chairs are gross.
Because sometimes you just can't wait until you're done cleaning. So you enjoy some candy and keep on cleaning.
So a little while back ago, I had to do something about my husband's mixer cord. It was just all over the counter, and I saw this on Pinterest, and I said, well, let me try it. So I took a command hook, and sometimes it's a little tricky to get the cord to stay on the back, but for the most part, you can see that it really holds on tight to it, and the cord is not all over my counter. So then I just turned on my robot vacuum and let it do its thing. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you found some motivation in this video today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell. Take care, guys.